You can watch hours of videos, you turn the videos off, you're ready to go decorate your space, and you go, what do I do first? So that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you simplify the process, give you 5 quick, easy steps on how to start the plan for your space. So the first thing you want to do, I highly recommend that everyone will do this first step. And the first step is stand in the space, okay? Doesn't matter what space it is, and just give thanks. Yeah. When you approach your space from a position of gratitude, you know what? It actually increases your creativity. Just stand in the space, look around, and just give thanks. Be grateful for what you have in your home.